Sound familiar? Your Tineco Floor One S5 starts strong, but then, poof, dead. The fast battery drain and auto-off issue is a common problem plaguing Tineco Floor One S5 owners. You're not alone in this cleaning frustration. Often, this is caused by a degrading battery. Over time, the battery's capacity diminishes, leading to shorter runtimes and unexpected shutdowns. It's like your Tineco's running a marathon with a half-empty tank. Ignoring this doesn't just mean less cleaning. It can stress the other components of your Tineco, leading to further damage and even potential overheating. But don't worry, you don't have to live with a half-functional Tineco. RoboCare has the solution to breathe new life into your Tineco. At RoboCare, we're not just vacuum repair technicians, we're Tineco specialists. We've seen this problem countless times, and our team has a deep understanding of the Tineco's intricate internal workings. We've got years of experience specifically with Tineco products. We'll carefully inspect the battery, charging circuitry, and power management system. We replace faulty batteries with genuine replacements, ensuring your Tineco is back to its optimal cleaning performance and runtime. But don't just take our word for it. We'll show you the results. Look at it now. After RoboCare's expert repair, this Tineco is back to its best. Long-lasting battery, perfect cleaning, hassle-free operation. As soon as the vacuum was returned, our customer was thrilled about how well it worked and how stress-free it was to clean with it. Don't let a faulty vacuum ruin your clean routine. Visit our website today or call us to schedule your repair. Plus, with our convenient courier service or drop-off at our service center, fixing your vacuum is easier than ever.